Hey everybody, welcome back to our second installment in our DIY in a Day series. And today we're talking all about outdoor lighting. And no worries, even if you do not have a structure, I'm going to show you how you can achieve nice outdoor lighting easily and affordably. All right, let's go. So to achieve our outdoor lighting, we're going to be using a combination of solar lights, string lights, and string light poles. Now the string light poles is what makes this super easy. These came from Amazon and they literally just screw together and stick in the ground. So this is perfect if you do not have a structure or gazebo like we do, or if you just want it to freestand out in the yard. I will be sure to leave the links for all of the lighting that we use down below. All right, y'all, so we had to readjust them because they were leaning forward. So we really didn't do anything. We just took them out and just kind of put them back in, and Tonio's over there doing the last one behind the wall. But yeah, now they're straight. So don't know why they turned out crooked the first time. All I did was put them in and push them down. But then we just kind of pulled it out, twisted it around, and now they're perfectly straight. So we got 3 up, but of course we need 4. So the last one, we're actually going to attach it to the house. And this kit is great because it actually comes with the brackets and everything that you need to attach it to wood or whatever, if you have a structure that you want to attach it to. Like I said in the beginning, you do not need a structure. These are freestanding, but we don't have any grass on that side. So of course we can't put it in the ground, but we're just going to attach it to the house, and then we're going to hang up our lights. So quick change of plans. Before we attach that last pole to the house, we wanted to hang up the lights on the other 3 poles. So that way, once we get to the last one, we would be able to see the height that we needed the lights to be. So we figured if we went ahead and attached the string lights first, then we could just adjust that last pole up or down to make sure that it's even with the other ones. So normally to hang the lights, you just string them through the top of the poles through those hooks, but that just did not feel secure to us. So our string lights actually had small holes that fit that hook perfectly. So we stuck the hook through the light, and then that way it just felt more secure. And we're even thinking about going back and securing them with zip ties. All right, so the kit comes with these brackets here, and they fit perfectly around the pole to where you can attach it to anything. You can attach it to wood, or like we're gonna do, actually our windowsill, I believe it is wood. And then it also comes with the screws and anchors as well. So the packet comes with everything that you need. We're just gonna use one of these because we don't want a whole bunch of holes on the side of the house. So we're just gonna use one and make sure it's screwed down tightly. All right, y'all, so we put the bracket on, but we did not screw it all the way in because we want to be able to slide this one up and down so we can get it even with the other poles. right, guys, so another alternative that we're using for our outdoor lighting are solar lights. Now, of course, solar lights, you can just place them wherever you want them, and then you'll have lighting at night. So we decided to go with these. We're actually going to put these on the outside post on our gazebo, and then these just stick into the ground. And these we thought were pretty cool because they are color changing. So we're going to add this to our lighting out here, and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like at night. And this is just a quick little hack. If you have two screws that have to be lined up next to each other, just put a piece of tape, punch some holes in it, and then once you stick the tape to your structure, you will see exactly where the holes go, and then you don't have screw holes all over your walls. All right, you guys, doesn't it look nice? So we completed another DIY in a day. Now, let me just say this as a disclaimer, you guys. Because this is freestanding and it's not on a structure, you are going to get some pulling and a little bit of leaning once you add the lights to it. So just be mindful of that. It's not absolutely perfect, but it is a great alternative if you don't have a structure to attach it to or to attach your string lights to. Additionally, I also love it because it's movable. So if I wanted something out in the yard or needed some lights for that, this is a great solution for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to come back next week because we have one more DIY in a day. If you guys are enjoying this series, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.